Guangzhou Luckyplay Amusement Equipment Company Limited, also known as Luckyplay, redefining entertainment through innovation. In the exhilarating realm of amusement, Luckyplay emerges as a trailblazer, reshaping the landscape with its innovative and high-quality offerings. What sets Luckyplay apart is its diverse range of meticulously crafted indoor play environments, spanning imaginative themes such as Oxygen Forest Theme, Quantum Entanglement Theme, Outer Space, Snow White, Primeval Jungle, and Fantastic Voyage, including shopping malls, kindergartens, parks, hotels, and aquatic attractions. Luckyplay's global stature is further highlighted by its membership in the prestigious IAAPA, a testament to the company's influence in the global entertainment arena. Central to Luckyplay's achievements is its unwavering focus on safety and quality. Luckyplay's dedication to safety is exemplified by its adherence to the latest international safety standards in high-end markets such as EN 1176 in Europe and ASTM F1487 in the US. The materials used in crafting their play environments undergo rigorous testing by esteemed bodies such as TUV and SGS, with an impressive track record of many projects across China, Southeast Asia, Europe, Middle East, and the Americas. Luckyplay has left an indelible mark on the industry. Notable clients include Miland, Wanda Kids Place, Alphaland, and Galaxy Kids. Luckyplay continues to script a remarkable success story, consistently raising the bar and ushering in a new era of entertainment innovation.